Hi, this is Tito Chowdhury from Fashionxt. For the last 10 years, Fashionxt has been helping Fashiontech brands by removing their barrier to entry to fashion. We're the only entities to do so. We offer product development consulting, an annual fashion and technology show, and competition involving some of the biggest pioneers in fashion and technology as judges and mentors. Imagine the possibilities for your fashion tech creation by being seen by such preeminent figures by participating in the competition, and winner of the competition being mentored by them. We also launched an online showcase platform, Fashionxt 365. On March 28, 5 to 8 p.m. in Digital Fashion Online Summit, I'll be hosting a live discussion on wearable technology fashion with 3 such pioneers. Mark Francis will lead Intel's first smart bracelet project. Matt Rhodes, Nike's former global design director, who worked with their full band design. And twice Project Runway winning fashion designer Seth Aaron, who designed the world's first 3D printed designer shoe line that is ready to wear for fits with Fashionxt. We'll talk about the evolution of wearable technology fashion, what roadblocks may have prompted some of the biggest companies to exit the scene, leaving behind so much opportunities for you, and how Fashionxt resources can be of help to move you forward. I hope to see you in the live talk.